Hello everyone and welcome back to Healthy Food Recipes. Today, we'll be talking about the amazing benefits of French beans. Also known as green beans, French beans are a popular vegetable that are enjoyed all over the world. Nutritional benefits. French beans are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for good health. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and fight off infections and diseases. Vitamin C also helps with the production of collagen, a protein that is essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. French beans are also rich in vitamin K, which is important for bone health and helps improve calcium absorption, reducing the risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis. Additionally, French beans are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for eye health and the immune system. French beans are also a great source of folate, a B vitamin that is important for fetal development during pregnancy. Folate also helps reduce the risk of birth defects, and is important for maintaining healthy blood cells. Digestive benefits. French beans are a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber helps prevent constipation and keeps the digestive system running smoothly. Additionally, the fiber in these beans helps lower cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of heart disease. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, making French beans a great option for people with diabetes. The high fiber content in French beans also helps you feel full for longer periods of time, which can aid in weight loss. Bone health benefits. As we mentioned earlier, French beans are rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Vitamin K helps improve calcium absorption, which is vital for strong and healthy bones. Incorporating French beans into your diet can help reduce the risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis. French beans also contain calcium, which is important for bone health, as well as potassium, which helps maintain a healthy blood pressure. Immune system benefits. The high vitamin C content in French beans also helps support the immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight off harmful free radicals in the body, which can cause cell damage and lead to disease. Eating French beans regularly can help keep your immune system strong and healthy. French beans contain zinc, which is important for immune function and wound healing. Weight loss benefits. French beans are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to any weight loss diet. The fiber in these beans helps you feel full for longer periods of time, which can help you consume fewer calories overall. Additionally, French beans are also a good source of protein, which helps build and repair muscle tissue. Protein also helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can aid in weight loss. The low-calorie content of French beans means you can eat a large portion without consuming too many calories, making them a great choice for people watching their calorie intake. Cooking and serving tips. Now that we've discussed the amazing benefits of French beans, let's talk about some cooking and serving tips. French beans are incredibly versatile and can be cooked in a variety of ways. You can steam them, sauté them, or even roast them in the oven. French beans are also great in salads or as a side dish. When cooking French beans, it's important not to overcook them, as they can become mushy and loose. So there you have it, some of the amazing benefits of French beans. Try incorporating them into your meals and reap the health benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy food recipes.